Hi guys, it's Mina here with Mina. Welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you are a regular, then welcome back. So today it's kind of an impromptu video. I just kind of wanted to share with you guys. Well, first off, just did my hair yesterday. It's so cute. It only took like a couple of hours max. Cute. But anyway, basically today I finally got something very exciting in the post. Today I got my roller skates in the post. I'm so happy. Like, I've been wanting these, I would say, I don't know, I've wanted new roller skates for like, I would say 3 to 4 months now, but obviously right now it's having a revival because my size, UK size 7, was sold out on every website. Like, I've been looking every day, keep looking, I've made orders, then the supplier comes back to me and says, no, sorry, we've got to cancel your order because it's gone out of stock, and I've been really upset. But basically I'm going through some stuff, and this is basically like retail therapy for me at the moment. So yeah, I basically wanted to share this unboxing with you guys and also try on and everything like that. Okay, so I ended up getting it from Amazon, and there was this company called Kate Skates, and yeah, they've got lots of skate apparel, skate stuff, which is really cool. And yeah, so the skates I ended up getting are the Rookie roller skates, the artistic plain white. It's not the ones I initially wanted, but these ones are super cute, although they're very pricey. They are pricey. I paid almost £90 for this, like, I'm embarrassed to say. But again, retail therapy, I'm going to be honest. So yes, this is the box. This is how they come. So let's get the box open. How much you can see. So inside the box is this little warranty thing, really good to know. There's a 24-month warranty for manufacturer defects and faults, which, you know, very useful. And then the skates. Whoop. Oh my god, these are actually a gorgeous pair of skates. Look at the detailing. They're absolutely plain white skates. They've got this nice little grey all around the edges. Oh my god, these are super cute. They're really heavy. Like, every time I get skates I forget, or wear skates, I forget how heavy they actually are. But roller skates are proper heavy. Got the little Rookie. Oh my, I'm so excited. Like, I don't know, the worst part is, like, I skate quite a bit. I used to skate a lot in Korea, and I used to skate at uni. I was in roller derby very briefly, but that was, the last time I skated properly was like maybe 1.5 to 2 years ago, so I'm gonna be so shaky. I'm gonna be like Bambi on ice, I know, but okay, it's got a really weird thing inside them. It's like a toilet roll holder. And then you've got your laces, and then some paper, of course, inside. But yeah, these are a UK size 7. I am a UK size 7 in like most shoes, pretty much all shoes, so I just went for the exact size that I am. I don't know how that's going to bode well for me. Hopefully that fits perfectly. Yeah, it says here UK 7, US 8, Euro 40.5, which I think is a 7.5, so that's good, I guess, in case they need some wiggle room. Yeah, so I am going to go ahead and try them on today. I need socks. Okay, I'm probably going to need to lace them up a little bit. Oh no, let's get it on my foot first. I'm going to loosen up the lace a little bit. They are very tight. Please fit, please fit, please fit. Oh. Okay. Oh. Yeah, they fit like absolutely perfectly, so I would say if you are, whatever your size is, buy the exact same size that you are in all shoes. So I ordered true to size. And oh, it's kind of hard to lace up though, like get it tight. So yeah, I'm just gonna try and do that.
I would tell you everything I believed in, but you said shut it off, you're too old for dreaming. So I did my best to feel what you're feeling. But what about what I want? What about what I want? Cause what I wanted was to laugh at the way you laugh at the way I laugh, but instead you were moody.
Okay, my room is actually tiny and there's carpet, so this is a big risk I'm taking for you guys. It's a risk. It's a risk for you guys. Okay, so I know from the little roller skating practice and stuff I've learned the easiest way to stand up is not just to stand up on your feet, but to put one leg on your knee, one up like this, and then you just let yourself up. Woo! See, I'm already ruining my carpet. But yes, let's do a lengthways view just so you can watch me. Hoo-hoo. Okay, obviously being on carpet, there's barely any roll going on. Like, it's very slow. And also another thing, I watched a video which said that when you first buy the skates, okay, they're very tight, so you have to kind of use a skate tool to loosen them up before your first proper roll. So I might actually have to do that. I'm gonna go get my brother's skateboard tool and use that. Okay, so I've got this handy dandy skate tool from my brother who skateboards as well. So I thought these came in with the package. I read that somewhere, so I didn't buy one. Luckily, I've got a brother that skateboards. And so basically, if you see, the wheels are a bit like slow when you spin them. I obviously looked at a video of, I can't remember who, but it was a very good video and I'll definitely link it. See how slow it is. It doesn't really like continuously roll. So I basically just want to use that small end and just put that right, oh, not right, wrong one. The middle one, put that right on the thingy and just righty loosey, lefty tighty, is it?
I was kissing you with my eyes open, but you said keep them closed and be in the moment.
So now that it's a little bit looser, I'm able to like loosen the wheels a bit. So you want them to roll and to match up. So you can see that one took a lot longer to stop rolling, and that's kind of where I want them all to be. So I spent some time going through, loosening it, checking, trying to match them up as much as possible for all 8 wheels. It seems long, but it's an important step, I think. So definitely go ahead and do this, and, you know, matching them up, making sure they're all aligned and nice and fluid so that we can actually move when we finally get outside. So I've loosened it up a little bit so you can see that they just roll for a bit longer before they stop. So yeah, whew, I'm actually sweating just from that. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm gonna get started learning some cool tricks and stuff, and I don't know if I'm gonna put any on YouTube. Maybe I will. Let me know if you'd like me to, and I definitely will. Thank you for watching my little video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
'Cause what I wanted was to laugh at